So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hand about this far from it and you're just going to hit the plate out of the way. You ready, Princess T?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Pretty much.
3, 2, 1.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi, Prince and Princesses. It's Princess T.
Hi, Princess Pham.
Today we are doing a science experiment called...
It's called the egg science experiment.
We're actually doing a view experiment with eggs. So, for these experiments, you will need plates, a little tray so it doesn't spill everywhere, of course, eggs,
You also need something to mix with, a tall cup, some water, salt, and a tissue paper roll.
So, which one do you want to do first?
I'm thinking something fun
Okay.
and challenging.
So, what do we need to do?
I think we should do the egg drop one first.
Okay.
So, for this one, you're gonna need a tall glass like this. Oh, we're gonna need this tray right here because it could get messy. So we're gonna put that in the middle. Then we're going to fill up our cup with some water. It doesn't really matter the temperature of it. I'm gonna fill it up about 3/4 full like that.
Then we're going to take our plate. We're trying to find like a smaller plate. Here we go. We're going to put our paper roll right here. And last but not least, we are going to take an egg and put it right here. Okay, now I'm getting nervous.
Yes, so this is our whole contraption. And you're going to hit the plate so that hopefully the egg will drop directly into the water.
So it's kind of like a challenge.
It is, but it does this because of something science related, which we will go over in just a bit. But first, we must show them.
You go first.
Me? Yes! Okay, let me just make sure everything is in place. Everything looks good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hand about this far from it and you're just going to hit the plate out of the way. You ready, Princess T?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Did you guys see that? I did it! I didn't break the egg and it's just hanging out in the water.
I want to try.
Try it.
Okay, we're going to set this up like so. And I just hit it.
Yep.
Okay.
Pretty much.
3, 2, 1.
You did it too. Great job.
Princess Pham, that was so cool, but how does this happen?
It happens because of something called inertia.
Inertia? That's a funny word. What does that even mean?
Well, inertia says an object will stay at rest unless an outside force acts upon it, like your hand. So, whenever we hit it with our hand, gravity takes pull and pulls the egg straight into the glass of water.
I had no idea science would be so much fun.
Yeah, it's super fun. But I said we'd make it more fun by going on to the next experiment. Now, let's learn about density.
Okay.
So first, I have a question for you. So, the egg is in the water and it is down on the bottom. So, would you say that the egg is more or less dense than the water?
It is more dense than the water. That's why it's all the way down at the bottom.
That is correct. Now, we're gonna make it float up to the top. So we're gonna make the density of it less than the water.
How?
We're gonna do that by adding salt. So we're just gonna start by adding 1 spoonful of salt. And we're going to mix. And let's see if that's enough to cause it to float.
I don't think that's enough.
I don't think so.
We're gonna
either.
need more salt. So, the more the better.
Whoa! That is a lot of salt. Check it out. Okay.
Hey, look, it's kind of like rising up a little bit.
Yep, okay, let's go ahead and mix the salt into the water now and mix.
Hopefully you guys could see it's not at the bottom as much anymore. I think we need more salt.
I think we do too.
Whoa! Look!
Oh my
I feel it. Right there. I think it's safe to say we need a lot of salt to make the egg float.
And now we can finally say that the egg is less dense than the water, or should we say the salt water. And now for the next experiment, we're gonna make our cracked egg spin on our plate.
Wait, did you say cracked egg?
Yep, we gotta crack an egg in half. So I'm just gonna take our little friend here, and hopefully I can crack it. And then let's try. Oh! Did I do good? Did I do good? Let's see. Whoa! Check out that yolk. Yuck. Okay. And next, I'm just going to give our egg a little bit of a rinse. Get it all cleaned up. Good to go. Next, I'm going to dip my half-cracked egg in some water. Just the bottom of it.
You're doing some very strange things.
I'm doing some very experimental things. Alright, I think that's good. And do you think it's gonna stay on the plate or fly off the plate?
It's gonna fly off the plate, Princess Pham.
I think not. Alright, let's give it a go.
It's moving, it's moving.
See, Princess T, I got it to stay. But my goal is to have it stay longer, so let's try. Whoa! Check it out! It's like a roller coaster. It goes around and around and around and around.
Oh, I'm getting dizzy looking
Whoa,
at
be
it.
careful!
Oh,
You don't want to get dizzy.
that's super cool.
I know. I honestly thought it might fly off myself, but nope, it didn't.
Oh, there it goes. Who would have known that there's so many cool experiments you could do with eggs?
Yep.
Well, friends, that's the end of today's video.
If you like more science experiments, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, friends and princesses. Bye.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi, Prince and Princess. It's Princess Pham.
Hi, Prince and Princesses. It's Princess Granny.
Today we're gonna be doing the egg drop.
Science experiment. So, Princess Pham, what are we gonna do with these eggs? Are we gonna drop them?
Exactly. We're gonna put it in different things that we think that are gonna keep the egg from breaking, and we're gonna throw it from the playground.
Whoa!
So for the first drop, me and Granny are going to be using balloons. So here we have all these different colored balloons, and I'm going to protect my egg by blowing up all these balloons and putting the egg right in the middle of it.
And I am going to put my egg inside the balloon and blow it up. Maybe it will float away.
Maybe. So here I have an unboiled egg, so be very gentle. And before we get started, I'm just gonna give my face, or my egg, a little face. So I'm gonna draw 2 eyes, and maybe I'm gonna draw 1 up or 1 down like that. And then maybe I'm gonna draw this mouth because it's nervous. And I might as well add some lashes to it. Alright, Granny, here, you wanna draw one?
Yes, I do. I'm gonna draw a happy face. Here's 1 eye, and here's the other eye. And just imagine they're blue eyes like Granny's. And then here's our nose. And our happy face. But wait. We need eyelashes and eyebrows. Oh, wait, one more thing. We need ears.
I guess mine's kind of worried that it might flatter.
Mine is happy because it knows it's going to be safe in this
Okay.
big blue balloon.
We'll see. Okay, let's start by blowing up all our balloons. So let me start
You
with
need
this
some
one.
help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You may need to ask adult for help if you don't have enough air. So we have 3 small ones and 2 big ones. Now I'm blowing up the last big one.
You can do it!
I think this is
think? Don't pop it.
Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and tie this. And now, once I have it tied, I'm going to put my egg in the middle by using tape. So I'm going to tape 2 small balloons together using this big tape here. And then I'm gonna flip it to the other side. And we're gonna put my little precious egg right in the middle. And some tape, please, Granny.
Here, I'm your taper.
Thank you. And I'm gonna tape from one side and to the other side. Thank you. And then we're going to give it a little bit more protection by putting this one on the top. Ooh, it definitely helps to have 4 hands. Next, we attach these big balloons, to the small ones, again using tape.
But the little tape and Granny will help you.
Thank you, Granny. And now that we've attached the big to the small, we're going to tape the sides.
And Granny has the tape. So we just put that in between right here like this.
Nice.
And like this. And like this. And now Princess Pham is gonna help Granny put the balloon. No, put the egg inside the balloon.
Yep. Okay. Let's go. Oh, you gotta be real careful. The egg isn't cooked, Granny.
We can do it. And now I'll blow up my big blue balloon. Egg, can you see my happy egg? It's right in here.
Whoa, awesome. Okay, so before we do the egg drop, you let us know, friends, in the comments below if you think that the egg is gonna break or is it gonna survive.
I think mine is going to survive. That's why it's a happy egg.
I think, well, if my egg doesn't roll out, I think it's going to stay whole too. Okay, so I've made it to higher grounds for the size experiment. Check it out, I'm almost as high as the clouds. So we're gonna drop my balloon parachute now and see if our egg breaks. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go down and check it out. Whee! Let's see. Awesome. Check it out. My egg is still right in the middle there, and it is perfectly still whole. I think this did its job.
And here's Granny with her happy egg and her blue balloon. And look, I am so high up in the sky. But I'm gonna hold it as high as I possibly can. And then I drop it. I'll see you on the ground, egg. Oh no! My happy egg broke! But look, it still has a happy face and even the balloon popped. Oh, my happy little
Oh no, Granny, your poor egg. Look, I see the egg yolk and the egg white, and well, maybe you needed more balloons, Granny.
Maybe, but see, the egg white went all the way to here. It made a big boom.
It made a big splatter. All right, Granny, what are we gonna make next?
I think we should make this parachute.
Ooh, I think a parachute's pretty safe. What do you think?
I think so too.
Okay, so I actually took my other egg that did not break earlier, and we're just gonna turn it around, and we're gonna make a hypothesis. Do we think our egg's gonna break, or if it's not gonna break?
My hypothesis is it's not gonna break.
Okay, I agree. So let's go ahead and draw a happy face. Okay, this time I'm gonna draw the eyes a little different. It's gonna be kind of closed because it's coming down from the air and we want to close our eyes to protect it. So I'm going to draw these kind of eyes, and then we're going to draw an itty bitty nose because our egg needs to breathe while they're up there. And then we're going to draw a big smiley face. And because it's coming down so fast, it can't close its mouth. And then we're just gonna give it 2 buck teeth. Alright, Gertie.
Whoa! Your egg sure looks cute.
It's silly. Alright, now make his or her parachute.
Okay, for her parachute, we're going to take this top.
Okay.
And we have some string and we have some tape. We're gonna tape this one over here. Then we take the other end of it, which is right here, and we tape it right here. We need a little tape right there. And then we have another string, which this is going right here. Thank you for your help, Princess Pham.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh. Princess Pham. What kind of helper are you?
Whoopsie.
And then, I'm just kidding. You're the best helper
Thank you.
ever. And then the last end of the string we put right here. And then you know what's next? Now we take, we got it a little tangled up. We fixed it. Now we take one end and attach it to this handle right here.
Oh, our grocery bag.
Yeah, our parachute bag. And we just tie it on like this. And then we tie the other one on the other handle.
Alright, our DIY parachute is now finished. We're going to put Mrs. Egg inside like so on the bottom of our cup. And now we do the egg drop.
Let's go!
Okay, Granny, you go up there and I'll stay down here to see what happens.
Maybe you can catch it. Okay, I'll see you.
See ya! Alright, Granny, I'm in position. Go ahead and drop the egg.
Okay, alright, I'm going to hold it way up and we have to open the parachute a little bit. Way up and...
Hey, what happened? Oh no! Mrs. Egg did not make it. Look, she broke right in half across her nose. It didn't make it, look, Granny. Let me let it join the other egg. Oh man, Granny, we need to think of a different plan.
We need to think of a better plan.
Dude, what is around the house we could use that would protect our egg?
Maybe another egg?
I don't think so.
An egg on an egg on an egg?
No, that's like 3 blind mice lead each other. It doesn't work like that. Oh, I know.
What?
How about bubble wrap? It always protects the stuff that I buy in the mail.
I think I have some bubble wrap from the last mail I got. Where my toy was wrapped up in bubble wrap. I'll go run and get it.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm coming.
Oh.
Look, I got some bubble wrap.
Okay.
Some tape to keep the bubble wrap together. A new egg.
Oh, yeah.
And a marker because it does have to have some sort of face.
I mean, it's bubble wrap. It has to work, right, Granny?
Okay, I'm gonna make the perfect face for it.
Okay.
I'm going to give it some round eyes, some pupils, some eyelids, just in case needs to close its eyes, some eyelashes, some eyebrows. Oops, I got off a little bit. And for the nose, we're gonna make a question mark because we don't really know, and we're making a straight mouth.
All right, let's wrap our egg in our bubble wrap.
Okay, little eggy, go right in here. Oh, look up this way. And good night. And then we wrap. And we fold this way. We fold that way. And then we need
Add some.
egg. Okay, we just go round and round.
Round and round. Okay, I'll put one here.
And one on the other side.
One on the other side, like so. You think that's good, Granny?
I think this is perfect.
Alright, I'm back up here now, and we're going to drop our egg that's in this bubble wrap. You ready, Granny?
Yes, but don't throw it in the dirty egg.
Okay, I will try. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Oh no, no!
Oh, what happened? Did it break?
Oh, no, Granny.
Oh, no.
Wait a minute. Let's open it and double check. Oh no.
Oh, the poor egg.
It looks like we got another egg splatter. Wait a minute. Granny?
Oh, it's in one piece. We did not have another explosion.
Did you just say egg explosion?
Yes, it's an egg. Of course, it's an explosion. Or not an explosion.
Oh, I like that. That's an excellent word.
Ooh, like excellent?
Yes.
I like that. Okay, it looks like we're 2 for 2.
Ooh, that's not bad. 50% right and 50%
That's
wrong.
pretty good. That was a good experiment.
Okay, what else you got going on? What else
Oh,
do
you
think?
want to keep going?
Yeah.
Let me check my moon pockets.
What you got?
Ooh,
I hope it's not food.
I feel some toys and there's food. Let me. Oh, way down at the bottom. I found something that I don't know. I don't even know what this is. It's
Oh, I know what that is.
like a pool noodle styrofoam kind of
Yes,
thing.
exactly. And I think that'll be the perfect fit for our egg.
I think it goes with my glasses.
Let's use the same egg since she was good luck earlier.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, so let's tape her down real good. Help me! Oh, it looks like she's wearing a hat and an outfit.
Ooh, I love her pink dress.
Yep.
And we just hold it like this. Oh, lady!
She's rolling around. Okay.
And then we're gonna put some tape on her. All right, good luck, egg. Let's see what's gonna happen from way up high.
Oh no! That's not looking too good, Granny.
No, it's not.
Oh, she shattered in pieces. It's just the tape holding her together. Look.
Oh, poor Mrs. Egg.
Oh no! Hey, look. That's a great way to separate egg white from the egg yolk.
That's right, but let's get her out of here. I don't think she feels so
Oh!
happy.
Oh! She oozed out the yolk now.
Yes, now we have scrambled eggs.
Whoa, Granny, that was a lot of fun.
It was.
It was super easy and simple science experiment. And it looks like we're 3 for 2. Not bad.
Not bad, but that means it's the end of today's video.
If you like more science experiments, give this one a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princess.
Bye.
Bye.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi, Prince and Princess Pham.
Hi, Prince and Princesses. It's Princess Granny.
Today we're going to be doing the floating egg.
Science experiment.
All right, Granny, why don't you tell the kids what we need for this science experiment?
Well, we need some spoons. We need an egg, a cup, some salt, water, and a measuring cup.
Yep, that's all we need, and you can find this all around your house, which makes it super easy.
Yes.
Okay, so this science experiment is going to teach us a little bit about density.
Density.
So we're going to start off by adding some water into our cup. And we're going to start by adding it half full.
And next, we're going to add the egg. But what do you think? Is it going to sink or float? Leave a comment down below. And I think,
What does Granny think?
let's see. That's both pretty heavy, but I think the egg might sink. Whoa!
That's correct, Granny. The egg will sink to the bottom because it's more dense than the water.
You knew that was going to happen?
I knew it. But we're gonna change things up a little bit.
Oh, how?
Well, we're gonna use the salt and we're gonna add it into the water. So I'm just gonna start by measuring 1 cup of salt in my measuring cup here. Make sure you ask the Pam for help if you need it. So now I'm gonna use my spoon. I'm going to add some salt into my water, and then I'm going to mix until the salt dissolves.
That's gonna be a very salty egg.
It is, but the salt is gonna change the density of the water.
It looks like the egg is still at the bottom. I think I want to add some more salt.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need a lot more salt because what we're trying to do is get the egg to float.
Oh, we're not going to cook it and eat it. Okay, I got some salt in here, and now I mix it.
Okay, so we've put in a half a cup of salt.
And we've been mixing.
Okay, now let's see if the egg's gonna float. Did you see that,
Wait a minute.
It's
Whoa,
definitely
it keeps coming
floating.
back up.
Yep, that means now the water with the salt is now more dense than the egg, and that's why it's floating.
That's the coolest egg ever.
But
what else can we do with the egg? I want it to float just halfway.
oh, if you want it to float halfway, I say
We have to take some salt out of the water.
well, that would be kind of hard because the salt is dissolved in the
I
water,
know.
Granny. So what we can do is we can add more water to our cup, and if we add just the right amount, it should float right in the middle. Okay, let's add the water.
Be careful. Whoa!
Whoa, you see that, Granny? Okay.
I think it's right in the middle now.
Awesome!
You are so smart.
Well, I just try to study a lot, Granny.
Granny studies a lot too.
Yep, I read.
I study my toys.
I guess there is a toy academy that you go to.
I went there.
Okay, so now if we want the egg to float back to the top, what do you say we add? Do we add the salt or do we add water? Leave a comment below to let us know what the right answer is.
I know.
Granny knows?
I know.
Okay, Granny, what's the answer?
We add more salt.
That's correct.
We put this in and we stir. Let's see if it was enough. Whoa!
It's almost flown to the very top.
Little bit more salt and stir. And are you ready to see?
Awesome! Good job, Granny.
Wow! That was a really fun science experiment to learn about density. But this is already the end of today's video.
And if you like more science experiments, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Princess Pham.
Bye!
Bye!